Employment contract, data entry company, form filling technology, US corporate vision enterprise, like that. There are a lot of company, those people are joining every day, but they are saying that your ID has been blocked, and if you want to, you have to arrange your 2000 for, or you have to pay 6000 registration fee, otherwise company is going to take a legal action against you. To your given address notice will going to be sent. You have done a breach of contract and you have to come to the court, police station against you. Case FIR will going to be registered and you have to face a lot of issue. So in case you are also getting this type of message, legal notice you receive on your mail ID or WhatsApp, no need to worry. Our lawyer is going to advise and help you, so that you don't have to worry about getting legal notice to your address, going to any court or police station, or facing any legal issue. Even if it is required on your behalf, we can talk to them. You don't have to pay any amount to them. So just WhatsApp us the name of the company, whatever message you are receiving, and get our help. Save your time and money. Like the video, share it. In case you are having any other matter, family, civil, criminal, property, just contact us.